Where
This is just coming in. We're about to release our mascot,
our
Blizzard.
mascot Blizzard.
He been getting blow with us ever since.
He be getting high above.
Now we're about to go see if he can adapt to Mother Nature without the weed.
Yep.
He's free to go. Go ahead, Blizzard.
This is Blizzard. This motherfucker's like 2 foot long. I don't know what the fuck.
As you can see,
He
he
enjoys living in a bottle, getting faded like a motherfucker. So right now we're just waiting.
Just waiting.
So you guys can see him. Let's release him real quick. No. Oh, there you go. Goes my Blizzard. See Blizzard. Blizzard going, Blizzard. Look at that fucker. Making a documentary now. The reptile is 10 foot long. Could eat like about 10 pounds.